Hi guys, welcome to this video session. In this video, we are going to see about the soldering principle and how to solder and how a good solder looks like. Soldering, it's a joining process. Soldering is a process where two or more metal pieces are getting joined by melting and then filling the joint by the solder. Solder and the flux are the two important things required for the soldering process. Soldering has wide range of application at various industries. It can also used in plumbing industries as well. How to solder? Imagine we have a plan to join the LED on the given circuit board. First, insert the LED on the circuit board, power on the soldering iron. This, this causes the soldering iron getting heated up. Once it reaches particular temperature, brings the soldering iron near to the copper pad. At the same time, bring the solder near to the copper pad opposite direction. Make sure that the solder should not directly touch on the soldering iron. Wait 1 or 2 seconds and then remove the soldering iron. The key points for good soldering are: it should have naturally glossy side. There should be clearly visible lines over the solder. There should be clearly or correctly shaped fillet, and the contact angle should be very small. There should not be any crack or pinholes in the soldering. Various components of soldering process. First main component is the solder. Solder is a fusible metal alloy used to create a permanent joint between metalwork pieces. The various types of solders are lead-free solder, lead solder, hot solder, glass solder, and flex core solder. Soldering iron. Soldering iron is a heat generating source. It is capable of producing temperature up to 900 degree Fahrenheit. Then soldering torch. Soldering torch is the heat generating source. Depending upon the temperature requirement, there are two types of soldering torch used. One is oxyacetylene, another one is air acetylene torch. Where in this air acetylene torch giving lower temperature. It also easily movable and portable. Flux. The main intention of the flux is to facilitate the soldering process. The different types of flux are water soluble fluxes, no clean fluxes, traditional rosin fluxes. Advantages of soldering. This can be operated at low temperature. Base metal does not melt. Both metals and non-metals can be joined by this process. It required very low power, and the time required for joining the metal is less, and this process is easily operated. The disadvantages: the strength of joint is less. This is not useful when joint works under high temperatures. Long length welding is not For long length welding, this process is not useful. Heavy metals cannot be welded by these operations. There is a chance of generating of toxic component at the flexes. Application. Soldering is most efficient and permanent connection between copper pipes in plumbing and joints in sheet metal. Soldering is also used in electronics and metalworks. In stained glass work, soldering is used. Electrical wiring to printed circuit boards can be done by soldering. It is widely used in electronics industries such as radio, TV, and computer industries. Types of solder. Solder is an alloy which melts at low temperature. There are two types of solders are used: hot solder and soft solder. Hot solder. It is made up of an alloy of tin and lead. They have low melting points between 150 degrees centigrade and 190 degrees centigrade. It is used in low loads at high temperature. Hot solder. It is a silver alloyed with lead or silver alloyed with copper and zinc are the widely used hot solder. The melting point ranges from 300 to 600 degree depending upon the alloy composition. They are used to make strong joints that can resist at high temperature. The following animation shows the principle of soldering and brazing. Soldering is a method of uniting two or more pieces of metal by means of a fusible alloy or metal called solder. This is soldering iron and electrode and stand to hold this solder. Soldering is mostly required wherever electronic components need to be connected to the circuit boards. A blowtorch or soldering iron constitutes the equipment of heating the base metals and melting the solder and the flux. It is applied in the molten state. It is distinguished from the welding by the base metals not being melted during the joining process, which may or may not include the addition of filler metal. Brazing. Brazing is essentially similar to soldering, but it gives a much stronger joint than soldering. The flex melter, welding torch, filler rod, workpiece. Brazing is joining of two metal pieces by using filler metal. Mostly copper based alloy and silver based alloys are used. In brazing, the base metal of workpieces to be joined is not melted, but filler metal is melted. This filler metal is in the form of liquid, adheres to the base metals, and the joint is made between the two workpieces.